Hey guys, hold up. Let's hit the rewind button and take ourselves back 10-15 years. Remember that era, when a new phone arriving at home meant just one brand, Nokia. When mom and dad would say, "Son, just get the Nokia, this thing won't break even if you drop it, it'll last for generations." That trust, that durability, that love for Nokia, it might have faded a bit over the last few years, but it's far from gone. Because now, folks, the lion that was sleeping, it's wide awake, and this time, it's hungry, it's angry, and it has set its sights on the biggest giants in the market. If you're looking for a smartphone in 2026 that's not just hands-free, but absolutely mind-blowing, then your prayers have been answered. Nokia isn't just making a comeback, they're coming back for revenge. And in their hands, they have a weapon so powerful, its name is the Nokia Zero Ultra 5G. So today, we're diving into this spectacular smartphone. Its camera, performance, battery, every single detail is packed with such a punch that you'll only be saying one thing: wow. Nokia, you've absolutely outdone yourself. And the price? Nokia is basically throwing the rulebook out the window with this price tag. So, let's get started. Features of the Nokia Zero Ultra 5G. The display. First up, let's talk about the window through which you'll see the world's most beautiful pictures. Folks, this isn't just a screen, it's a 6.78-inch 2K Plus Super AMOLED display that will leave you speechless. The colors on this display are so deep that if you're watching a night scene in a video, the darkness will feel so real, you'll think you're sitting in that very room. And the brightness, checking your phone under the harsh afternoon sun will be absolutely effortless. But the real magic happens when you touch it. A 120Hz refresh rate means that scrolling will feel like gliding your finger on butter. And for gamers, this is nothing short of a dream. Thanks to a 390Hz touch sampling rate, your finger's command will strike the game like lightning. And oh, because it's a Nokia, its safety is guaranteed. Protection from Corning Gorilla Glass Armor 2 means keys or coins, nothing can scratch this glass. The camera. Now, let's talk about the part that has completely blown our minds. Friends, I've seen many phones in my career, but a 300-megapixel camera. Just hearing it sounds massive. Yes, a 300-megapixel DSLR killer primary camera. This means you can zoom in and see the pupil of a bird's eye from far away. And when night falls, Nokia's old magic, the pure view technology, comes alive once again. Even in the dead of night, your photos will be so clear and bright, as if you took them in broad daylight. Alongside it is a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens that captures such a vast scene that your entire group, whether it's 10 or 20 people, will fit in one photo perfectly. And the third is a 12-megapixel telephoto portrait lens that makes your subject the hero, giving the background that creamy, DSLR-like bokeh effect. And for all you selfie lovers, there's a killer deal for you too. A 50-megapixel front camera with autofocus. Now, in your selfies, friends standing in the back will also be sharp, because the camera will automatically focus on them. The performance. Now the question is, who will control all this power? Will this tiger end up just sleeping? No, folks, this time, Nokia has put the tiger on a lion. Powering this phone is the world's most powerful processor, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. This isn't just any ordinary chip. It's built on 3nm technology, meaning it's not only incredibly fast but also sips power. Whether you're editing 4K video, jumping between dozens of apps, or playing the most graphics-heavy games, this phone won't heat up, won't hang, and won't disappoint you. It comes with 12GB or 16GB of RAM and 256GB or 512GB of storage. That means you have a cinema hall, a gaming console, and a supercomputer right in your pocket. And the software, perfectly clean, without any bloatware. It's a pure stock Android 16 experience, which has always been Nokia's signature. The battery. Look, a phone could be as fast as a jet, but if it runs out of fuel, it's just a pile of metal. Nokia has understood this from the heart. That's why they've equipped it with a massive 9000 mAh battery. Yes, 9000. This isn't just a number, it's a promise that no matter what you do, make reels from morning till evening, binge watch Netflix, play games, this phone will not tire. It'll easily last a day and a half. And when it's time to charge, a 100-watt fast charger will take the phone from 0 to 80% in just 30 minutes. Being tethered to a charger will be a thing of the past. Price and launch date. So, Folks, after seeing all this, only one question is on your mind. What will the price be? $1,200? $1,500? With features like these, even that would seem reasonable. But Nokia has surprised everyone once again. According to leaks and hot market buzz, this game-changing phone could launch at an aggressive starting price of just $799. Think about it, double the fun for half the price. This is a direct challenge to Samsung's S series and the iPhones of the world. Now, as for the launch date, Nokia hasn't officially confirmed it yet, but our close sources suggest this storm could arrive in mid-2026, around June or July. So, it's just a few months' wait.